Dear learners, computers can be categorized into different types depending on their operations. Broadly, these are categorized into 3 types. These are analog computers, digital computers, and hybrid computers. Analog computer works by measuring continuous physical changes, electrical voltages, and currents. It deals with variables that are measured on continuous patterns with a predetermined level of accuracy. Analog computer operates by setting physical situations that are analogous to mathematical situations. It represents physical quantities like distance, temperature, pressure, or angular positions as mechanical or electrical equivalents. The measurement of temperature by a thermometer that establishes analogy between temperature and expansion of mercury on a predefined scale. Another example is a speedometer of a car that measures distance in terms of kilometer per hour. Analog computers are widely used in paper making, cement industry, chemical industry, and oil refineries to control certain processes. These do not require storage, and their output is in the form of readings on dials or on graphs. Dear learners, second type of computers are digital computers. These take input in digital form, process it, and produce useful output. Digital computers work at a very high speed. Their results are accurate, and these perform repetitive tasks efficiently. These include high-speed supercomputers, mainframes, minis, and microcomputers. These are categorized as general-purpose and special-purpose computers. Digital computers have storage capacity, and a variety of devices can be attached to them. Third type of computer is a hybrid computer. It has features of both analog and digital computer. Analog computers are used in specialized applications where both kinds of information is to be processed. These are used in air defense control systems and biochemical industries.